Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get started with Aimersoft Video Converter Ultimate. This includes how to download, install, register, and set up your settings inside the program. So part 1 in this process is to download and install the program. Step 1 is that you'll want to first download it, and you can do this by going to the website and clicking on Download Now for either Windows or Mac, depending on which one you have. And step 2 is to click on the file that it then downloads to run and install the software on your computer. And once complete, you can simply click on Start Now to then launch the program on your computer. Part 2. Register. Aimersoft Video Converter Ultimate allows some limited features on the free trial version, so to enjoy all of the full features, you'll need to buy and/or register it. If you haven't already, there should be a shopping cart icon on the top of your screen, or if not, go to Menu and hit Register. From here you can input your licensed email as well as your registration code to activate your product and have all the full features. Part 3. Settings. You can change Aimersoft Video Converter Ultimate settings according to your preferences, and to do this we'll go back up to the menu, and this time we'll click on Preferences. In the first tab, General, you can set up things such as the language, checking for updates, and if you want to reset all dialogues. In the Convert tab, we can do things like control the number of things that go on at once, as well as the speed of our conversion. In the Downloads tab, you can set up all the default settings for when we download video using the program, as well as downloading things from YouTube. And lastly, in the Location tab, you can change the default locations for where things are downloaded, such as where we save converted files, downloaded files, and DVD files. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you next time.